So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add stock photos into your design in Design Wizard. As the first thing you have to do is obviously open up Design Wizard, then go to the left hand side of your screen and make sure you go to the Elements tab. So for example, if you're on the Text tab, just simply go ahead and press on the Elements tab right above it. Now where it says videos, photos, graphics, etc., you want to go ahead and press on photos right here. And if you press on more photos, what it'll do actually here is show you a whole bunch of different stock photos that you can use in your design. So, for example, if you wanted to search up perhaps maybe a photo of a sky, you can just simply go ahead and search up sky, and it'll take a couple seconds to load some pictures of a sky. So, if you want to use this one right here, you can just press on that right there. It's now going to load, which will take a couple seconds, but once that is done, which you will see shortly, you have now added a stock photo into your design in Design Wizard. So I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.